Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at a loan amortization schedule, and this schedule is very important since everyone has debt or everyone has loans, all the businesses, individuals. So basically, if you have a mortgage, if you are a business owner, this is going to be of value for you because you're going to be able to track the principal, the interest, and the balance of the loan. So let's start then. Here in this schedule, we have the investor, institution name, or individual. Down below, we have the loan value. That will be the present value. Next, we have the annual interest rate, the years on the loan, the issuing date. Then we have the loan description. We have the monthly rate. We have the month. This would be the number of periods, and we have the first payment date. So the cells that you see here in green, it's because they automatically calculate. So just make sure you don't input any information in there. Right here, it's where all the information for the loan is gonna be displayed. In the first column, we have the number of payments. Right next to it, we have the payment date. Then we have the payment, we have the principal, the amount that is gonna be allocated to principal, the interest, and the balance on the loan. So let's do an example so that we can see how it's done. Right here, we're just gonna put the investor name, the institution or individual. The example that I'm gonna tell you today, it's gonna be an example for a mortgage loan. So let's just go ahead and put an individual name, my name, and let's say that the loan value, it's gonna be 400,000. So the loan value is 400,000. The interest, we're just gonna put 4.5. The number of years, usually the majority of the time is 30 years for a mortgage. Let's just put a date, and let's just put a random date. Let's just put January 1st, 2018. Here in the description, we're gonna put mortgage. Then, as I said before, these two cells are gonna be automatically calculated. And then let's say the first payment date, it's gonna be on February 1st, 2018. So you see here how everything was calculated. So as you input information, everything is gonna be calculated. So let's just put right here the number of payments. Usually for 30 years, let's just calculate. So 30 years times 12, it's going to be 360 payments. So 360 months. So let's just put in here 1, 2, and we can drag that to 360. This is because it's 30 years. If it is less than 30 years, just come here and we have our schedule. So right here we have the payment, the total payment. This is the total payment that we're gonna make in a loan value of $400,000 at the 4.5% in 30 years. A fixed rate of the payment is gonna be $2,026.74. Allocated to the principal is gonna be the first payment 500, the interest is gonna be 1,500, and then this is your balance. As your loan progresses or as you make payments throughout the years, then the principal is gonna increment and the interest is gonna decrease. So you can see here, let's just go down to C, and by 2034, you see here how your principal increased and your interest, it's been allocated less money. And in here you can see your loan balance at the end of the 30 years. You can see here $0 that you will owe. And this is it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.